Claude is now invisibly watermarking its writing and its images. And the watermark isn't hidden in the text. The watermark is the text. So in this video, I'm going to break down what this means for practice owners who are using Claude and some options that they have moving forward. Let's jump in. First off, so why is Anthropic doing this? Well, it signed a European Union's AI Act code of practice and transparency. So it's following through on its mandate there. So the way Anthropic is watermarking its output through Claude is that it's not an image or hidden text that's inside of AI's output. It's a randomized set of words inside of its output, and it's a little more sophisticated when it comes to Claude's generated images, which we won't touch in this video. I'm just going to focus on the text. So let me give you a little bit of an image of what this looks like. So J.E. Robo Nuggets, that's the YouTube channel. He kind of put this image together for us. I think that was helpful. So you have here is original text here. Isaac Newton's best known work is the Principia, first published in 1687. In it, he laid out his 3 laws of motion. Now, what Anthropic's doing, he has this, the secret watermark, kind of the algorithm they're using is, obviously this is pi, but he's using this as an example. It's basically a string like of random numbers. And if number 5 is selected, it's going to go with a different word. So the way the output looks like, it could look like, is Isaac Newton's most famous work is the Principia, published in 1687. So you notice how best known, most famous, first published, laid out, instead of saying laid out, he set out his 3 laws of motion. So these are the ways that AI is going to be changing with its output. And this is the watermark right here. It's basically a string of words that then I can identify that Claude created this text. So what are kind of the constraints? There's a few constraints I think that are going to be important here. So what are the design constraints of this watermark? What are the guardrails? Okay, there are really 4 things that Anthropic lays out. It says the goal is to preserve meaning. So only nudge between options the model already considered interchangeable. All right, so it's trying to preserve the meaning, and it's got some guardrails there, and then preserve quality. So never force a worse word, just carry the signal. That's their own words. So preserve the quality, stay invisible, so a human reader can't tell. And then the 4th one is survive edits. So the signal is spread across the whole passage, right? So if this is a longer text example, it's going to be across the entire thing. So not stored in one place. So cutting a paragraph or rewording a sentence weakens it rather than destroying it. So they're trying to keep it so you can it survives and it's traceable. All right. So a couple things for practice owners who are using AI for content and things like that. So how do you get rid of it? Well, I think according to Claude, you're going to have to take whatever AI Claude outputs to you and then do some very heavy human editing and rewriting it. And by rewriting those paragraphs and sentences, we'll actually degrade the watermark, its signal. At the time of this recording, Claude has not released any tools that will actually reveal if the content was created by Claude. That's, they say, in a forthcoming document and release set. So what does that mean for practice owners? I'm still using Claude. I've been using ChatGPT more. So if this is a concern for you, you could just switch over to ChatGPT and maybe even Grok for now for your content writing and image generation. I'm still using Claude to write code, but I will be using ChatGPT more to write content. All right, before I let you go, I want to let you know that we are hosting the AI Summit for group practice owners. So if you are a group practice owner and you want to master AI more to scale your operations, finances, and marketing, head over to grouppracticescalingsummit.com and register for your ticket today. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.